Hey guys, I'm back again. I am still at Rotary Park. Check it out. We got a drone right there. Somebody's taking pics. It's the Polsteam Koprowo. They are downbound right now. They're actually headed to France, which is pretty cool. They're going to Rouen, France. I really wanted to get these guys because I have missed them every time they have been in town so far. My apologies for the wind. You can see we got the snow coming down now. Pretty cool. Still a lot of ships to go through. There's a few that are heading upbound soon. I think the CSL Saint Laurent will be going into the lock next. We still have the Stuart J. Court and the John G. Munson coming downbound. What a cool looking ship. And then you can see in the distance there, that's the Federal Oshima. They are upbound and headed to Thunder Bay. So I'm going to stick around right here and get them momentarily. That's a good look at them there. So they'll be upbound shortly. I'll stay here for that, and then we'll see what else I can do before I have to head back across. Time for me to go for now because my fingers are numb. Talk to you soon. See you later, guys. Bye for now.